Imagine a land of rugged beauty, where the landscape is both breathtaking and unforgiving. Here, icy rivers carve through towering mountains, creating a dramatic and awe-inspiring scene. This is a land where whispers of gold once sparked a frenzy, drawing thousands of hopeful prospectors on a perilous journey in search of fortune. This is the Klondike, a region in Canada's Yukon Territory, forever marked by the Klondike Gold Rush of the late 19th century. At the heart of this historic landscape lies the Klondike National Historic Site, a portal to a time of adventure, hardship, and the enduring allure of gold. Here, you can walk in the footsteps of those who braved the elements and the unknown. But the Klondike isn't just about gold. It's a place where nature's raw beauty meets human determination. It's about the resilience of the human spirit, the courage to face insurmountable odds, and the drive to pursue dreams, no matter how distant they may seem. It's about the boomtowns that rose from the wilderness, bustling with life and hope, only to fade away as quickly as they appeared. It's about the echoes of history that linger in the air, the stories of triumph and tragedy that are etched into the very fabric of this land. Join me now as we delve into the rich and captivating story of the Klondike. We'll explore the landscapes that shaped the dreams of many, the hardships they endured, and the legacy they left behind. Discover why this remarkable place continues to capture the imagination of adventurers and dreamers alike. In 1896, news of a gold strike in the Klondike River Valley electrified the world. The discovery was like a spark that ignited a wildfire of excitement and ambition. Newspapers from New York to London carried the sensational headlines, and the allure of untold wealth captured the imaginations of countless individuals. Like a beacon in the darkness, the promise of riches drew people from all walks of life. From seasoned miners to inexperienced dreamers, the call of gold was irresistible. Ships were packed with hopeful adventurers, each one leaving behind their old lives in search of fortune. They came from bustling cities and quiet farms, driven by dreams of striking it rich. Families sold everything they owned to buy passage to the north, while individuals left behind jobs, homes, and loved ones. The journey was not just a physical one, but a leap of faith into the unknown. This mass migration, known as the Klondike Gold Rush, would forever change the fate of the Yukon. Dawson City, once a quiet outpost, transformed into a bustling hub of activity. The landscape itself was altered as thousands of prospectors carved out trails and set up camps in their relentless pursuit of gold. The journey to the goldfields was arduous and unforgiving. Prospectors had to navigate the treacherous Chilkoot Pass, often referred to as the Golden Stairs, where they faced steep inclines and harsh weather conditions. Each step was a test of endurance and determination. Prospectors faced treacherous mountain passes, freezing temperatures, and the constant threat of starvation. Many turned back, defeated. The harsh realities of the journey claimed many lives, and the wilderness was littered with abandoned gear and dreams left unfulfilled. Those who persevered became part of a chapter in history etched in gold and grit. Their stories of hardship and triumph are a testament to the human spirit's resilience and the lengths to which people will go in the pursuit of their dreams. The Klondike Gold Rush remains a symbol of adventure, ambition, and the enduring allure of gold. Almost overnight, a bustling tent city arose from the wilderness. Dawson City, named after geologist George M. Dawson, became the heart of the Klondike Gold Rush. It was a place of both immense wealth and crushing poverty, where saloons overflowed with prospectors and dance hall girls, while others struggled to survive. Dawson City became a melting pot of cultures, as people from all over the world converged on this remote corner of Canada. The spirit of adventure and the pursuit of fortune permeated every aspect of life in this boomtown. While gold was the driving force behind the Klondike Gold Rush, life in Dawson City was about more than just riches. It was a place of hardship, camaraderie, and the constant struggle for survival. The harsh conditions and isolation fostered a strong sense of community. People from all walks of life came together in the Klondike, each with their own story to tell. There were miners, shopkeepers, teachers, and even lawyers. There were women who defied convention to seek their fortune, and indigenous people who navigated the changing landscape. Section 5. End of an era. The gold rush fades. By 1899, the easily accessible gold began to dwindle. The rush for riches subsided, and many prospectors moved on to new adventures. Dawson City, once a bustling metropolis, saw its population plummet. The Klondike Gold Rush was over, but its legacy lived on. The gold rush left an indelible mark on the Yukon, shaping its landscape and its people. The stories of the Klondike, passed down through generations, continue to fascinate and inspire. Section 6. Klondike National Historic Site. Preserving the past. Today, the spirit of the Klondike Gold Rush is preserved within Klondike National Historic Site. Established in 1998, the site encompasses key locations in both Dawson City and Seattle, Washington, connecting the starting point of the journey with the heart of the gold rush. Klondike National Historic Site is more than just a collection of old buildings. It's a living museum. It's a place where visitors can step back in time and experience the Klondike Gold Rush firsthand. Section 7. Stepping back in time. Attractions at the site. This section will take you on a journey through the rich history and captivating stories of the Klondike Gold Rush. Within Klondike National Historic Site, visitors can explore a variety of attractions that bring the past to life. From interactive exhibits to detailed information plaques, every corner of the site is designed to educate and inspire. Walk the streets of Dawson City, lined with restored buildings from the Gold Rush era. These buildings have been meticulously preserved to give you an authentic feel of what life was like during the height of the Gold Rush. Imagine the bustling activity, the hopes and dreams of the prospectors who once walked these very streets. Tour the Dredge Number 4, a massive gold mining dredge that serves as a reminder of the industrial scale of the gold rush. This engineering marvel showcases the ingenuity and determination of those who sought fortune in the harsh conditions of the Klondike. Experience the Chilkoot Trail, a challenging hiking route that was once the main artery for prospectors heading to the goldfields. This trail is not just a hike, it's a journey through history, where each step tells a story of perseverance and adventure. Each step offers a glimpse into the hardships and triumphs of the Klondike Gold Rush. As you walk along the rugged path, you'll encounter markers and signs that provide insights into the lives of those who braved the trail in search of gold. The Chilkoot Trail is a living museum, offering a unique blend of natural beauty and historical significance. Section 8. The importance of preserving history. Why is it so important to preserve places like Klondike National Historic Site? These sites are more than just remnants of the past. They are tangible connections to our shared human history. They offer valuable lessons about who we are, where we came from, and the forces that have shaped our world. By preserving these sites, we ensure that future generations can learn from the past and gain a deeper understanding of the events and people that have shaped our present. Section 9. Klondike Today. A legacy of adventure. The Klondike today is a place of breathtaking natural beauty and a vibrant cultural heritage. While the days of gold fever may be over, the spirit of adventure lives on. Visitors from around the world come to experience the Klondike's unique blend of history and wilderness. The Klondike is a reminder that the human spirit is capable of extraordinary things, both in the face of adversity and in the pursuit of dreams. Section 10. Discover your own Klondike adventure. So, why not embark on your own Klondike adventure? Discover the stories etched in the landscape, walk in the footsteps of prospectors, and experience the raw beauty of the Yukon Territory. The Klondike awaits, ready to captivate your imagination and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. The Klondike is a place where history comes alive. It's a place where the echoes of the past mingle with the promise of adventure. What will you discover in the heart of the Klondike?